Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to select more than 50 emails in Gmail in 2026. Make sure to like and subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials. First, open Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Gmail account. At the top of your inbox, click the small checkbox above your emails. This will select the first 50 emails on the current page. After selecting the first 50 emails, look for the message at the top that says Select all conversations in inbox. Click that link to select every email in your inbox, not just the first 50. Now you can delete, archive, move, or label all selected emails at once using the buttons at the top. This works for inbox, promotions, social, and any label or folder in Gmail. And that's it. You now know how to select more than 50 emails in Gmail using the 2026 method. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It really supports the channel.